Alright, so our timer just went off. We are turning off the oven and pulling this out. So it does smell a little bit burnt, but trust me, it's just the bottom side that's a little bit crispy. We're gonna let this cool down a bit before we start slicing it, but I mean, that's basically what we're looking for. Again, since this is a homemade pizza, it really depends on your oven. Because, I mean, I do have some burnt sides. We'll see what the bottom looks like, but all this top side looks good to me. Because even the little chunks of ham have a little bit of char on it, but they're not burnt. They're just cooked. I mean, the edges you don't have to eat if you don't like them, I guess, crispy or burnt tasting or whatever the case may be. The real trick is going to be the bottom side. So we'll slice into this and see what it looks like. Let's see here. Oh, you know what? Let me turn off. I forgot to turn on these lamps that I have. So let's turn these on just to have a better picture of what these look like. And again, like I was saying, it does have a little bit of burn. So what I did, the way that I cooked it was at 450 for 18 minutes. And then as soon as the 18 minutes hit, I pulled it out and this is the result. So maybe 15 minutes would work if this kind of looks unappealing. I like this type of texture, so for me this is fine. I'll definitely eat it. But if you don't like it too well done, or you like your pizza less crispy, then you can always do that. So let's see here. Let's see what we got. And like I said, I prefer crispy. For me, it's the best texture. It's just being able to know when you got it. And man, I need a pizza slicer. So this is what the bottom looks like. So see, you got that crisp. The middle's well done. It's cooked. And then you're basically good to go. All in all, even though the edges look kind of jacked up, I would say that it's a good pizza. So, as I said in the beginning, making pizza is not hard. It'll take you a couple tries to get it right. But, I mean, you saw the whole process. You just gotta get your toppings ready. And just don't be shy. I mean, especially as a home cook, I'm sure you even messed up a sandwich here and there. It's just trial and error. This is not the last pizza I'm gonna make, obviously. It just depends what you like, and obviously once you start getting the hang of it, you're gonna want to try to experiment with different toppings. So don't be shy. Don't shy away from it. It's always good cooking. All right, so let's get ready to eat.